up, everyone? Welcome to the Life of Eric L. I am, of course, Eric. I'm actually on my way to Lowe's right now to get a couple 2x12s. I think I'm going to make a little bench for the gym. We have a bunch of, smaller kettlebells, lighter weights, other random gym stuff that's kind of cluttering up the area. So I'm going to make a little bench, a little shelf. Should be pretty exciting. I ended up going with the 2x10. I had 2x12s, but they were all cracked and warped and were just crappy wood. It's hard to find good wood up here. Wait, easy, easy. I'm going to, I think, cut 3 legs off this, so 12 inches a piece. That will leave me with about 5 feet of bench space. That should work, I think. Should be enough space.
Damn, it's smooth jazz.
If anybody wants to send me a decent compound miter saw, I wouldn't be sad about that. All right, here we go. We got the top piece, 3 legs. One like that, one like that, not like that, one like that. Thingy on top. It's hard to do holding a camera. Something like that. Should be pretty cool, but I'm going to finish it first. I don't know how I'm going to do that or what it's going to look like. I might have an idea. That's pretty cool. I could do the same thing for the legs, but I have this leftover paint. Old Glory red, some white, and some blue. Weird.
This track's about to get hot.
I didn't record all of this because, I'm just painting, I'm not really a painter, so it wouldn't be very entertaining. But here it is, or here they are. Before I get that all put together, I need to go get some meat rolling in the oven. Ooh-wee. Whew, that meat was delicious. I've found with that type of meat, flank steak, it's better. It just tastes better, in my opinion, in the oven. Anyway, I got this thing put together. Looks pretty neat. Here, let me put it in a spot where you can actually see it. There it is. You know what I was saying about the quality of wood? Wood from trees up here? Well, check this out. This was laying on a flat surface last night, this board, and I put this all together, and I know everything's square. That board twisted overnight, even though it was laying on a flat surface. I don't know if you can see it. Terrible, terrible. It's not a big deal because it's just going to hold all this stuff on it. And we'll probably just burn it when we move out of state. So it's not really a big deal. It'll serve its purpose. Got a little basket there for some random stuff. Got all the lighter weights and the heavier weights. Kettlebells, red, white, and blue legs. Seems to have flattened out with weight on it. Seems nice and sturdy. I thought I was going to have to build some braces for the legs, but looks pretty good. It serves its purpose. And it looks pretty cool. Thanks for coming by. and watching the life of Eric L. I'll see you next time. I'm kidding. Kind of. That sucks.
It's only better than